What's up, guys, and welcome to the first lesson of the terminal videos. And in this video it's all about what is terminal, and I'll show you where terminal is so you can open it, click it, and let's start. Alright, go to your dock. If it isn't in there, go to here, click that, or you can go to here and type terminal. Okay, increase that. Okay, so terminal is a program, I would say a program, software, whatever you want to call it, where the user is allowed to give an input and then receives an output. So you run your terminal, you put in some commands, and then you receive rapid feedback and whatever from your computer. Alright, that's it for this tutorial on what is terminal. I'll see you guys in lesson 2 where I start putting in commands and showing you the meanings of the commands. Thanks for now.